for nothing, but this part's coming up. Now watch what I do.
Get up, you lazy ball of good-for-nothing fur!
Huh? Ooh.
You're on my chair!
I'm sure he'll be just tickled pink. I'm going to start this very minute getting the place straightened up. Ta-ta to you, too. I have wonderful news, Heathcliff. Your cousin, Jonathan Bixby Morrison III, is coming for a visit with his owner, Vanessa.
Whoop-de-doo.
Now, everyone will chip in and get this place spick and span. Vanessa lives in a luxurious penthouse in the big city, and we want to make her feel at home.
Move it, you sack rat! Almost forgot the bathtub.
And finally, a moment's peace.
Who's that? Oh, wow. Look at that.
Wow, look at the size of that car.
Well, well, the great one has arrived.
Yuck.
Oh, brother.
It's bad enough that we're cousins, but we are certainly not brothers. Thank goodness.
When did you say you was leaving?
Oh, isn't that nice? The two little cousins are getting along famously.
I'm going to retire. Bring that bag up to my room.
Are you talking to me?
Well, there doesn't seem to be a butler on the premises.
I'm busy.
I do believe I'll have a nightcap.
Don't let me stop you.
Dear cousin, I am a guest. I do believe you're supposed to be a gracious host.
Okay, I will be. Here, let me help you. I'll fluff up your bed. Oops. It's rise and shine time. Good morning, cousin. Ready for a royal tour? After you finish breakfast, of course. This is the splendiferous bathroom, your lordship. Over there's the royal sink. And above you is the talcum powder. And this is the linen closet.
Yeah!
Why don't you two cuties go outside and play?
Well, let's not and say we did. Are you still here?
Unfortunately.
I'll show Cuz who's king around here. Hey, Spidey boy.
That's a rather large canine.
Look at that. Gotcha.
What happened?
Big deal.
Don't you have an appointment with your stockbroker or something?
Not until next week. We usually summer in France, where the women are, how shall I say, ooh la la, and the food is magnifique.
Well, excuse me. Huh? Hit the deck, quick, hurry. You're gonna blow it. Will you move? Oh, looks like it's gonna be a great day. Just great. Thanks a lot, JB.
You're very welcome, cousin, I'm sure.
Hello there. Isn't it beautiful out?
You certainly are. Aren't you going to introduce me to this gorgeous creature?
No.
Wait, don't go.
Oh, Heathcliff, don't be such a grouch. Introduce us.
Sonia, this is Jerk. Jerk, this is Sonia.
How very droll, Heathcliff. Allow me to introduce myself.
Aha! I'm sorry. Allow me to introduce you. Sonia, it is my pleasure to... Hey, watch out!
Oh, no. That was very mean, Heathcliff. Here, I'll help you get cleaned up.
Oh, is my poor little rich cousin dirty?
Heathcliff, I'm ashamed of you.
Where do you think you're going with my girl?
Haven't you heard about the big dance?
Of course. What dance?
I was going to tell you, there's going to be a big party at the 3rd Street Alley tonight. See you there, Heathcliff.
I'll show him. Eat your heart out, Jonathan Bixby, big deal. Dear Aunt Vanessa, we found this poor itty-bitty kitty. He needs a home. Yours, Kisses, Theodore, and Babs. So, old JB was nothing more than an alley cat.
You dance divinely. Would you care for some of this punch?
No, she wouldn't care for some.
Heathcliff.
Feeling edgy, dear cousin?
Don't dare cousin me, you faker. Hey, let's dance the night away.
Ow! Ow!
Well, well, Twinkle Toes. Those extra pounds make it rather hard to be light on your feet.
Pour some punch for me, please.
Whoa!
Why, cousin, it appears that you're wet. What a mess you've made.
Hey, cousin or no cousin, I've had it up to here with you. Just who do you think you are?
I know who you are.
Want to make something of it? Come on, put up your dukes. Let's go. What's the matter? Scaredy cat? Fatso?
Can't look.
Gotta hand it to you. You're a darn good fighter.
You're not so bad yourself.
I know. Friends,
Friends.
let's go pig out on the caviar.
Caviar?
I love caviar. I haven't had any caviar since that Christmas when I was...
Just wait till you see what I do next. This is the part I've been waiting for.
Riff Raff is getting all spiffed up. I wonder where he's going.
We could find out. We could ask him.
Well, let's go ask him.
Hey, Riff Raff, you're looking pretty dapper, man. What's the plan?
If you have to know, Cleo and I are going down to the fun park to have a few laughs.
Oh, boy, the fun park. I love going there.
That's too bad, Mungo, because you aren't going to the fun park. Like I said, it's just me and Cleo, and you guys aren't invited.
Gee, that's too bad. The fun park is one of my favorite places.
Don't worry, pal. We're going to the park, too.
Cleo, you lucky cat. Here comes the one and only Riff Raff.
So, you thought you were gonna sneak by me, did you?
Hey, hiya, bushy old boy. No, I wasn't trying to sneak by you. I was just testing you, that's all. And you passed the first part.
Pass, did I?
Yeah, you did fine on the first part. Now here's the second part.
Yo!
What took you so long, Riff Raff? You know you shouldn't keep a girl waiting.
Sorry, Cleo, sweetheart. I was detained by that big ball of hair over there. What say we get going? Shall we, my dear?
Certainly.
Our chariot approaches, my dear.
Gee, they left without us.
No problem, Mungo. We can catch the next bus.
Gee, guys, how are we gonna get inside the park?
Weren't you paying attention, Furface? We just do like Riff Raff and Cleo.
Cats! Under my dress!
So, trying to sneak into the fun park, eh?
Great plan, Hector, my man.
Gee, Riffy, ain't the fun park great?
Yeah, Cleo, this was a swell idea.
I wonder which way Riff Raff and Cleo went.
Yeah, this would be even more fun with my pal Riff Raff here.
Wow, Riffy, what's that?
Oh, that's the House of the Future display. Haven't you ever been inside?
Uh-uh.
Well, follow me. I know a way inside.
Wow.
Presenting the future.
I think they went this way.
This way to the House of the Future, the most fantastic view of the future you will ever see. Step this way, please. Over here, the kitchen of the future. Everything is completely automated. All you have to do is press a button in order to enjoy a delicious meal. Now, if you will follow me.
Boy, you can really feed your face in this place.
Let's eat.
In here is the entertainment room. Movies, music, and games, all at the touch of a button.
This is going to be better than I thought. We got the whole place to ourselves. How's about a nice candlelight dinner, courtesy of yours truly?
Whatever you say, High Roller. Not bad, Riff Raff. Not bad at all.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed your tour of the House of the Future. Before leaving, we have one last thing to show you. The House of the Future's special security system. This system completely watches over the house while the occupants are away. And that ends our tour. Thank you.
Wow!
Look at this neat room. There's all kinds of things to play with.
Well, what are we waiting for?
I've always wanted to try one of these. Whoa! Whoa! Look out below!
What a rude dude!
Are we gonna take that?
Yeah!
Come on, we're going back in there.
Now let's relax and enjoy the show.
Where's the popcorn?
I don't know. Press a few buttons.
Gee, all that exercise made me hungry.
Well, all we gotta do is push some of these buttons, and we'll get something to eat. Wowie zowie! Oh no, not again!
We gotta lower the boom on that big vacuum.
Hey, Cleo, look at this neat room. It's full of all kinds of electronic toys and games.
Come on, Riff Raff. Let's party.
Look at that weird-looking computer game.
Let's go check it out.
All clear. This time we're getting in and staying in.
Come on, Cleo. I'll have you a game.
Come on, Riff Raff. Let's get to it.
We're in trouble.
This game is dull. Let's go in the living room and relax.
Yeah, I'm with you, Riffy. How about some milk?
Coming up. To a pleasant afternoon with you, my dear.
Not bad, Riffy. Not bad. It's a good thing those three bozo friends of yours weren't around to spoil it.
Even in a house of the future, I can't escape my past.
Stick with me, gang. I'm just getting warmed up. Now back to Heathcliff. Hey, kids, don't forget an important safety and courtesy tip about walking your dog. Heels! Always walk your dog on a leash for his or hers safety.
Mush!
This also keeps your dog from running on other people's property. Okay, fellas, let's go home. Heel!